Breaking AI news! Claude just left OpenAI behind. It can even control your computer and iPhone now. Here are 10 killer features you need to know. 1. File control. Claude can now create, read, and edit files and folders directly on your computer. This means instead of manually searching, editing, or organizing, you can let Claude handle everything for you. It's like having an AI-powered personal assistant managing your digital workspace. 2. Custom responses. Tired of the same style of replies? Claude lets you choose how it talks back, whether short, super clear, or formal. This makes it perfect for any context, from casual chatting to professional emails. 3rd prompt, improver. If your prompt feels weak, just drop it in. Claude automatically refines it with advanced prompt engineering techniques, giving you a smarter and more powerful version. It makes creating content, writing, or coding far easier. 4. Spreadsheet reports. Say goodbye to messy notes or long bug reports. Claude can take raw information, organize it, and generate clean spreadsheet reports within seconds. Great for teams, students, or professionals. 5. Captcha solver. Everyone hates clicking on cars, buses, and traffic lights. Claude can now solve captchas like a pro, bypassing that frustration. This means smoother workflows without interruptions. 6. Google Docs integration. Drop in a Google Docs link or choose from your recent files, and Claude instantly pulls in the content. It feels like seamless teamwork between your documents and your AI assistant. 7. Computer control. This is the big one. Claude can actually control your computer. It can open files, run tasks, automate workflows, and save you a ton of effort. It feels futuristic, almost like Jarvis from Iron Man. 8. Unity automation. Game developers will love this. Claude can automate tedious tasks in Unity, making game creation faster and smarter. From coding assistance to repetitive actions, it works like a co-pilot for devs. 9. Web browsing and research. Research doesn't need to mean 20 open tabs anymore. Claude browses the web efficiently, gathers reliable information, and gives you clean summaries. It's like having a researcher at your fingertips. 10th, GitHub repo. Creation developers can now create a brand new GitHub repository in seconds using Claude. No more manual setup links, just one command, and the repo is ready. For coders, this is a huge time saver. 10. Claude just went from being a chatbot to becoming a real digital powerhouse with control, automation, and intelligent support across platforms. OpenAI has some serious competition now.
Subscribe to AME's Marketing and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.